So conditional formatting was what we were talking about in the previous lesson, in the part 1 of styles. So we'll continue from there. We selected this based on the condition that an amount that is greater than 90,000 should be selected. That was why our 100,000 was selected, leaving out 86,000. We have more rules and conditions to be chosen from. We can select based on, we can highlight by using data bars. Let's select our data or info, then you point to data bars and you choose a particular style. This is a gradient, this is solid, and we have more rules. I will choose the gradient. See, 100,000 is filled more than the 86,000 to tell you that this is bigger than this, even though they have different colors. Look at where 86 stops, the highlight for 86,000 stops, for 100,000 filled to the end. We have more. You can choose any one of your choice. You can even create your own rules by clicking on the new. You can as well clear your rules here. We have option to clear rules from selected cells and clear rules from the entire sheet. That is for the whole of our sheet. I've used that. We have the next thing is format as table. Each of it has a pull down arrow. To me, you have more options. You can choose, you can make a choice. So for the format as table, we are going to choose a particular style. Use this. So it has header, so there's a checkbox for my table has headers. Since our table has a header, we leave it checked and click on our OK. So it will automatically format the headers different. So we have different formats. You can still change here. We have properties of the table. We have tools. You can remove duplicates from here. You convert it to a range, and you do much more. Or most of it will be done in next lessons, so we will not go into the table tools now. Or with this, you can be able to on your own browse it over and see what you can do with it. So go back to the home. Next one is cells, where we can format our cells. So we click on it and you pick a particular design. So look at it, there is a preview to tell you that if you are to apply it to all the cells, you have to select the whole information. Let's undo the table so that we give this a separate format. Cell styles, these are pre-formatted. Text are given color, font sizes, cells are given a field too. Each one you pick has its own predefined formats. It's about cell styles. Each one, see, that one I gave it that, I gave this one this. See that each one, this one is bold, this one is not. It has a different font face and then size. Bold here, not here, and like that. So the next thing is cells. On cells, we can insert cells, insert rows, insert columns. We talk about this in the next video. Thank you for watching.